third edition of India Cargo Awards West and South applauded the extraordinary leaders of cargo industry at a gala event in Ahmedabad.
The popularity and strength of these awards have grown manyfold. Thank you all for your continuous support.
अहमदाबाद नगर के लिए सौभाग्य की बात है कि यहाँ ये स्थान हमारे नगर को चुना गया.
The winners are M. Afzal Malbarwala entered the Gallery of Legends. Samir J Shah was awarded the DDP Game Changer. DDP Trailblazer is Samir H Mankar. Vaibhav Vohra, One Face of the Future.
Every region has got a chance to, for them, many people are there. They also have got a chance to get an award and appreciated. So they will also be more than happy for that. And it's a good initiative.
Awards like this, which are going to work towards raising the level of professionalism in this industry and also attract more and more youth.
It's a step up for us.
I have to thank the fraternity for actually thinking me capable enough to deserve this award.
Emerging Freight Forwarder, Tripath Logistics. Best Cold Chain Warehousing Company, Air India SATS Airport Services. Best Commercial Vehicle Delivery Company, Kamal Translink. Best Shipping Port, Adani Mundra Port. Best 3PL Company Pharma, Argus Global Logistics. Best Warehouse Company Railways, Central Rail Side Warehouse Company.
बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म मुझे दिया है DDP ने. थैंक्स फॉर DDP. मैं अपने तहे दिल से शुक्रगुजार हूँ DDP का.
Great enough to acknowledge the industry guys who've been trying to do something better and better every day.
This is the base platform for all the warehousing or logistic related company.
Best Cold Storage Warehousing Company, JWL Cold Store. Best Air Cargo Terminal Operator, Cargo Service Center India. Best Warehouse Flooring Solution Provider, Lamba Techno Flooring Solutions. Best Cargo Airport, Kempegowda International Airport, Bangalore. Continental Carriers awarded as Best Freight Forwarder Pharma. Leading global logistics player DHL Global Forwarding and DHL Supply.